Sounds quiet. Oh, let's see what you got, girl. Shit. I see him.
Okay.
That was pretty fast.
Yeah.
It was pretty short though. There's something coming, so I wanted to bring it in. It kind of felt really loose too, like we're losing a lot of power.
Holy cracker jack.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's got a lot of batteries in it. Okay. Well, first run on the foams. It's like the back is doing really good. Front's riding a little heavy towards the inside once it's under a load, but okay. Well, let's see how it did. It's definitely a short run. I wish I could have kept going. That car ended up turning off too, but end, read. Yeah, lower than 94. Okay. Maybe 2 more teeth. It was too much gear, but I doubt it with this motor. Let me feel some temps. Maybe it's traction too. Maybe I'm spinning. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Yeah. Okay, well, maybe I just need to run longer. Still longer. I did end pretty short, so. Okay, well, we'll wait on traffic. We'll try one more time.
Okay.
Just the tires blown. So we'll find out. Okay. As soon as traffic's done again. I feel like I kind of like using that hill to our advantage. Bringing it towards us. Yeah. Good?
No, I'm up the top of the hill.
Top of the hill?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Nope. I think it's spinning. Because it's like all over the place.
Yeah.
No traction even on foams. Well, these are cheap foams, let's just be fair. Alright. That's probably worse than the last one, huh?
Yeah.
It seems to me, I need to watch the video. The video should be picking up. It seems to me like it's like...
It is.
Yeah.
Absolutely it is.
Okay, well, let's just check this just because we're here. Yeah, that's about where it's getting to, and it's doing its shit. Maybe we... is it this one? This one. Maybe it's gyro? I don't think so. I feel like it's losing traction. But so there, I turned the gyro gain off. We'll try that. Let's... Zeroed back out. Okay. Try one more time. I don't feel like it was wag. I feel like it was loss of traction.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like it was scooting all over.
Yeah, I don't think it was the gyro.
Well, we're gonna know now. It's off. How am I looking?
You're good this way.
Okay. It could be that this asphalt is still too oily and slippery.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, that was cool. I hope we got that on camera. That was the full beans, and you saw it just sliding.
Yeah.
Just a slippery. Okay. Okay. Well, there's our answer.
Yeah.
Let's see what speed we got before we got slippery again.
50. 70.
76.
Oh.
All right, well, I need a more textured road, or this shore of foam, and these are the cheap NHX brand foams, guys. I could get them super quick, so I tried to pinch and save some money. That could be it. Maybe the shows aren't sticky enough, but this is a brand new asphalt out here, and it kind of felt oily when I was out here ripping skids on my e-bike, so maybe we'll take this to my other spot, and we'll try it on that pavement with bedded in pavement and see how it does there.
RC speed, running with no speed. Pass after pass, I feed that need. Standing time with the steady hand. Trying to make the whole thing last. It rolls, it waits.
Okay, let's see how this road treats us. Woo. Alright, well, I think that's enough to get it up to like the 88, huh?
I think so.
To see if it's going to slip or not. Okay. Alright, I had full trigger for a while there.
Sweet.
I got it trimmed horribly. Let's bring it in. Very sloppy run, but it was fun. It was planted. I did get full trigger. Okay, how's everything look? Wheels are on. Wheels are on. little bit of wear on the inside. That's okay. All right, let's see what we did. 96. What is that, 2?
Yeah.
That's not enough. From 94 to 96. And it was...
No, but that does tell us, I think, that the road.
Oh yeah, the road's slippery, for sure, yes. Alright, we're fine. It needs more gear. We ain't got room for more gear. Look at the sketchiness we already got going on here. One screw holding this motor mount in. It's not wonderful. Alright, well, 96. 2 more mile an hour. How come 2 teeth only got me 2 more mile an hour? Some bullshit. Alright, well, I guess we're going to try one more. Okay, zero it out. Okay. Can we get 100? I just want 100. But that's still 4 more mile an hour. I don't know. I don't think it's got it in it. All the math says it should, but it's just not doing it. All right. One more time here. There we go. Now it's trimmed a little bit better. Not really. Okay, how are we looking?
I think we're looking good.
Alright, I'm turning it around and sending it.
Okay.
Okay, that was full trigger for a long, long time. Let's bring it in. I'll even include the logs in this video, guys, as long as there's enough room on the... I didn't clear the logs from last night's run, so we'll see. If I can show you some logs at the end of this, I will. Okay. Let's see what we did. And read on the dot. That's all it's got in it. 96. So close. I'm still not getting there.
Everybody sees me fall apart. Then I grin and floor it high. Ride the struggle bus. Ride the struggle bus. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Straight lines, real fast. Just not putting down the power. Oh blast. Oh blast. Ride the struggle bus.
Okay, Mike, here's your data. Mike's data. Mike's data. We don't necessarily need to know the speed here, but we might as well track it while we're here. Okay. Something coming?
Sounds like it might be.
Thought so. Whoa. Got a little grass in it. We'll blow that out. Adjusted the mesh a little bit. It sounds a little something, but it ought to do the thing. Okay. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is wagging, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But I was holding it full pin. Let's bring it in. We basically just needed that data to see what the battery voltage was doing at full pin. Because the math says the car should go faster than what it is. Okay. Picking up. On the dot, 96, and I get full pin. Okay, so we will get back to the house. We will look at the logs, but we will do it with my phone where the camera will actually zoom, and we can see what's going on with this thing, why it's not doing what it should be doing. See you then. Okay, Mike, we're back. We're plugged in. Mike and everybody. I know this has been a long one, but we're trying to figure this out here. So here we go. Obviously, right there is when we whacked full throttle. And that's what I have pulled up. Oh, I bumped it, of course. So right here, we dipped to, well, that says 27.6, but I found 27.2 is as low as it dipped. And then I've got the throttle pulled up too. That's the blue line. So that's, you can see those two straight lines. That's the full, that's all the time that I had full trigger. So that's my voltage dip, and that's my throttle at 100% right there. We're only getting 96 on 8S. So what's going on, guys? Help us out. My dip gear's different. This is a Hobao Hyper VS2E 1/8 buggy.